My name is Matt Reisinger. I'm a builder in Austin, Texas, and a lot of people know me these days because of the Build Show on YouTube. I stumbled upon Sashco products in about 2006 when I was building my very first custom home as a new builder. One of my jobs at that old builder was warranty manager, where I was going back to production built houses a year after they'd been built. And one of the big issues that I faced always in houses that were a year old was almost every piece of woodworking had some amount of cracking. And I thought there's gotta be a better way. When I own the company someday, I gotta figure out how to reduce that callback, reduce that warranty. So fast forward a couple years, I started my own company. My very first project, I wanted to really research everything that was going into it. I kind of fell into using Big Stretch about 2006 and have used it ever since. To come in to the Sashco HQ with another group of builders where we can talk about our life, our struggles, the things that we do well, and here's some things that I'm struggling with that I need some help on. What have you done in this situation? That's been really fun. See the facility, meet the people here. It's a really big deal, and as a small builder, as a family-owned company, I really resonate with other companies that feel like they have the same values that I do. I think that myself and the other 40 or 50 people that are here are leaving with a different understanding of Sashco as a brand and as a company.